What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. December of 2024 is behind us, so now we can do a portfolio update, where we'll check what we have received in dividends, which stock I bought with the cash addition, then we'll check how we're going with the dividend progress, and lastly we'll go into the portfolio tracker to see the portfolio's performance for 2024. Don't forget to support the channel with an early thumbs up, and with that out of the way, let's start. So we are in the transactions history on the Revolut app, and the first dividend on December 2nd was consumer discretionary Starbucks, ticker symbol is BUX, plus $5.21. Then December 3rd I've added $300 new in, and then straight away bought $300 worth of stock, a healthcare name Merck, ticker symbol MRK, got 2.95 of a share, at $101.55 per share. We'll check how this position is performing later on in the portfolio tracker. Now continuing with dividends, next one was December 9th. That was materials, Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW, plus $1.03. Then December 10th, a healthcare name, Amgen, ticker symbol AMGN, $4.98. December 13th, three names paid. Information Technology Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, $1.48. Then Communication Services, T-Mobile, TMUS, a dividend of $1.37. And the last dividend for the day was 3M, ticker symbol MMM, another $1.06. December 16th, Consumer Staples, Tyson Foods paid, ticker symbol TSN, dividend of $2.24. December 17th, Consumer Discretionary, McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD, $3.73. On the 19th, Industrials paid, Northrop Grumman, a dividend of $1.59. December 20th, Information Technology, Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, $1.99. And the last two dividends were on December 24th, both financials, FIS $2.30, and then BlackRock BLK $3.37. So these were the dividends that were received in the month of December, and now let's go into Google Sheets to check into dividend progress a bit further. So we are in the dividend portfolio tracker and currently in the tab for monthly dividends. I have summed up all that we have received in December, and it came in at $30.35. So unfortunately it wasn't the largest month of 2024, but still more than what we got last year. December of 2023 came in at $27.96, so it is almost a $3 increase, growth of 8.5%. Now finally we do have a result for the year. All of the dividends came in at $237.57, so comparing this to last year's sum of $203.28, this year overall the dividend increased by 16.9%. So we are now done with 2024, and we'll be looking to see how much the dividends can go up again this year in 2025. Now the next part I would like to take a look into is not only how much we are getting in dividends each year or each month, but also what monthly expenses can be covered with it. So currently the portfolio is bringing $319.50 on an annual basis, which is $26.62 every month, or 88 cents each calendar day. So with this dividend income, we can currently cover both monthly phone and internet bills. That comes in at $21 a month, so covered by those $26 of dividends. But if we add the next expense, gym membership, which is $21 per month, now we're almost doubling on expenses. So with these free expenses, currently covering 63.4% of them. Now summing up all of the monthly expenses, it comes in at $860, and currently with 26.62, we can cover just over 3% of it. So we went through the dividend progress, and now for the next step we can go into the portfolio tracker. In December I've added into the Merck position, ticker symbol MRK, it's from the healthcare sector. Currently have 4.38 of a share. Cost basis on the position is $410. And currently the position is worth $434, meaning it is up for 24, a higher for 5.85%. Now this position takes up 2.68% of the portfolio, and that is 19.07% of exposure in the healthcare sector. Currently the stock is trading at a dividend yield of 3.13%, though overall my position is a bit higher, so the yield on cost is at 3.31%. And this position is bringing $30.57 in dividends on an annual basis. Now overall the portfolio should be bringing $319.50 in dividends annually, which makes it 1.97% in dividend yield for the portfolio, though the stocks are higher than where I bought them, so my yield on cost is at 2.46%. Overall the portfolio is now worth $16,218.57, and I have deposited $12,980, so I'm currently looking at a gain of $3,238.57, which is in turn an increase of 24.95%. Now that the year is finished, we can check how the portfolio performed for 2024. So taking with what we finished in 2023 and adding all the cash additions for the year, in 2024 the number was at $14,297.75, and the year finished with $15,858.49. So this means the portfolio last year was up $1,560.74, or an increase of 10.92%. So not the greatest result we have ever seen, but still more than 10% for a dividend portfolio. Now for the last part, I would like to check where the money in the portfolio is allocated into. So the most recent addition was in healthcare. Currently we have $2,276.14 in it. This makes it 14.03% of the portfolio, where the target is set at 14%. And it seems that all of the sectors are currently within targets, less than 1% from it on either side. And from first glance, the most down from the target is industrials. Currently we have $2,161.62 in the sector. That makes it 13.33% of the portfolio, where the target is set at also 14%. So we'll need to check into a few names from the sector and determine which one could be picked, so that we can increase exposure in the sector with new cash addition next month. The portfolio currently has 4 industrials names: 3M, FedEx, Caterpillar and Northrop Grumman. I think I likely pick one of these to increase exposure in the stock and thus also increase exposure in this sector. So that was it with the dividend portfolio update for the month of December. If you would be interested in more details or using this portfolio tracker for yourself, I will leave a Google Sheets link at the top of the description. All I ask in return is a thumbs up under the video. Last time I've analyzed and compared a few dividend paying names, so if you are interested in any of that, then click on a video that is currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.